das Porsche Netzwerk.
So it's the next day in the hotel room now. I want you to check out this picture on the wall. How about that? Pretty awesome, right? So today we're going to be doing the Porsche Museum and the Porsche factory. We are in a hotel in the middle of Stuttgart. Not sure how well you can see that, but that's the view. And I think it's about a 10-minute trip to where we need to be from the hotel this morning. So I've actually got a lot to do. I've got a bit of file transferring to do from all the videos. I've got pants to put on. So leave me to do that and I'll catch up with you at the Porsche Museum. So this is the Porsche Museum in Stuttgart and I can't wait to go and have a look around. Let's take a closer look. You remember the Bad Boys movie, yeah? 964 Turbo. You remember Sally from Cars? If I was a police officer, that's definitely the car that I'd drive. So here we've got a lot of the rally cars, obviously in the Rothmans livery. 961. 959, 928, 924 and 911 SC. And to many, and to some, this is the definitive 911. The Carrera RS 2.7 Coupe. Look at that colour. Okay, I think we'll go and check out now some GT cars, GT3s, GT4s. What do you think? Okay, let's take a look at some of the older stuff like the 356s and the 904s. Those cars are just beautiful. 356 Speedster Prototype, 356 SL Coupe, Porsche 718. And this of course is the 550. This is one of the cars that James Dean famously died in. Beautiful, beautiful little sports car. I'd love to get my hands on one of those. This car is the 904. This is a car I absolutely love. We made about 120 of these. Made a 6-cylinder, 4-cylinder and an 8-cylinder. Beautiful, beautiful car. Porsche 356 Gamund Coupe, 356 Ferdinand Coupe. This is the 356 Roadster, and in the world there is one of these. You may notice this bit right here, that's because this car is actually a mid-engine car. All the rest of them are rear-engine cars. So you'll probably notice it looks, by appearance, a little bit longer. And there is one of one in the world. And it's right in front of me. It's a Carrera GT. So you know all about that. That's one of the cars that Paul Walker died in. It's a great car. 15 years old now. Still looks like it could be a brand new car. And then this is the 1 millionth 911 to roll off the production line. In fact, it is a one-off. You won't find another one like it in the world. There's certain wooden features, certain features of the car that you just simply can't get on a 911, no matter how much you paid. This will always be a unique one-off car. Not too sure on the colour, mind. Irish green. But I guess it appeals to some. I think the reason they've done it in this colour is because it was either Ferdinand Porsche or Ferry Porsche's favourite colour. So that's why they've done the 1 millionth 911 in this particular colour. That's Ferdinand Porsche. How are we doing, Ferdinand? That's Ferry Porsche. How are we doing, Ferry? And this is where it all started. This is the VW Beetle, as I'm sure you all recognise. This is a 1950 model. But this is essentially where it all started. This is the car which was Ferdinand built for Hitler, car for the people. Ultimately ended up doing time in prison for this car, helping out during the war. But you can see where the 911 gets its looks from. It is the 911 grandfather. Man, this thing did the Nürburgring in about 5 minutes, something or other. This just defies engineering. And a lot of the engineering quirks that are in this car, you'll find them in the Taycan as well. Because everything that Porsche are doing, they're doing it for a reason. They're testing the boundaries of everything, and ultimately the things that they do in their racing cars will always end up in the production cars, and this is no exception. Not really a thing of beauty, but it's not designed for that. It's purpose built, it's purpose designed.